Hi everyone, welcome back once again to Daily Hacking News Series. So without wasting time, let's start. If you want, you can subscribe so that we can still bring some more content. Anyways, let's start with the first news. So actually, a few days ago, we just heard some sort of Dell breach. Okay, so it was leak fake Dell data, which was around 2 TB of something which was scrapped from the Google or something. It was not something to be concerned if you're a user or something that I thought of I have a Dell laptop, my data hasn't been, but it's not something to worry about. And that's something scrap data that hackers was pretending to spell out into the market. Anyways, now the next news is coming from a Russian aerospace sector, right? So there is a cyber espionage which hits Russian entities. Yes, there is a new espionage campaign which was targeting Russian organizations with stealthy malware. Yes, that is stealthy. Which the attackers were using the spear phishing and backdoor to steal sensitive information, and this is possibly linked to the Ukraine conflict. But the attributions are not clear till now, so I can't comment much on this. Right now, next news is coming from US. Right, so US sanctions form behind North Korean IT scams. Yes, the UN's sanction. There was a person Cheong, which is a firm hiding IT workers in North Korea. So these workers actually fund Pyongyang cyber ops, which was operation started by the North Korean, and this was including the crypto theft as well. So this is a reminder like freelancer devs could unknowingly work for the hackers right now. So developers, you're working somewhere, just make sure whom you are working for, right? Now the next news is related to Facebook. Yes. So Facebook phishing scams spoofs login pages, right? So guys, there is a new Facebook phishing attack which seems to be Facebook login page. Once the victims enter the credentials, it's handling hacked full account takeover, right? So guys, this is because of the URL. Okay, there's a fishy URL you need to check out. Here you can see no captcha.metahorizon.com. Okay, and this is something which is fake Facebook login pop-up. This is what we have, and yes, there are a couple of domains which is not the main domain, right? So this is used for the attacking, right? Check for the link all the time whenever you want to log in. Now next news is related to a malware. So Coyote Malware, this is name, and this is guys one of the most concerning thing for the peoples. This is first to abuse window UI automations. Yes, this malware automate the UI of the window. So this malware actually uses window UI automations, UIA, the system which is used for the automations, and this is used to evade the detections, right? So this is going to steal the banking information by recording clicks and keystrokes, right? So this is what which is going around, and this is a new technique, guys. This is expected more copycat soon. The more hackers are coming up with the same thing. Let's see. Next news is related to Koske. You can see here Koske. This is basically a new AI generated Linux malware, right? So this is a new Linux malware which was named and Koske, and the code is basically generated by AI. Yes, AI is getting danger. Okay, if you are working as a developer, your job is in danger. So what does it does? It actually bypasses traditional detection due to unique and evolving pattern. So right now, AI powered threat are rising. Security tools must be adapted as soon as possible. Now, next news is silly ads. Yes, it's again related to Linux, I guess so. So there's a fake error page which is delivering malware. Yes, you can see here. This is a fake 404 error page. So guys, what happened actually? Hackers are tricking users for fake 404 or update required page, right? So here all we know if we click, you'll see exactly how it's working, right? And guys, this is basically you might get on Linux, Windows, Mac, and this is malware tailored for all these three operating systems. So this is concerning. Don't trust a random pop-ups. Always go to the official site, right? Now, next news is coming related to VMware, right? So there is a fire and hackers. This is a group of hackers. So they are exploiting the VMware flaws And there's an unpatched VMware ESXi and vCenter servers, which was being exploited. And you can see something crazy here. No, no, nothing. Yes, these are CV 2023 This is you can use to track. So and just patch your VM as soon as possible. Vulnerability update your VMs. Now next news is related to Lamehug. So this is AI powered malware linked to the Russian APT20. So yes, we all know APT28 is a fancy bear hacking group. This is a name of hacking group which is in Russia. They are now using AI enhanced malware, which is Lamehug. So this what exactly this one do? This actually going to automate phishing, evasion, and data exfiltration. So right now, cyber warfare, AI in cyber warfare, no long sci-fi. It's here, right? You can see it was intercepted by the Bob suit, I guess. No, something else. Yes. Now next news is related to unpatched flow in LG camera. There's a unpatched LG camera flaw which let hackers gain admin access. Yes, this is the old version of LG camera LNV5110R. This is a version name. You can see here. So this camera have a critical unpatched flaw till now. Hackers can take full control. Till now, no fix is available, and this is the end of life device. It and replace your outdated IoT devices. That's easy target right now. Now, next news is related to patchwork. So, patchwork is a APT, Advanced Persistent Threat Group, which is targeting Turkey's defense firm. Yes, another name is dropping elephant. Okay, patchwork. Another name is dropping elephant. Right. So this hits actually Turkish defense companies, and this is using fake job offers and malicious docs to infect systems. So this is kind of geopolitical hacking, which remains on the top threat till now. You can see some sort of codes. I don't know what exactly it is. I need to see. Anyways, next news is related to India. Yes, India. So there's a fake Indian banking apps which is spreading malware. Yes, you're right. Scammers are uploading fake UPI banking apps on third-party stores. There's a lot of stores which, apart from Apple and Play Store, okay, with the hackers are using, they are uploading some fake UPI and banking apps which actually steal the login details, OTP, and drain accounts. Yes, stick on the official app store. No expectations. If you'll see, if I'll download from this store, I'll get some sort of money. If I'll just transfer some sort of money, will not be transferred, and the account will be credited of the shopkeeper. Then that's fake. It's not going to work. Okay. This is you can see permission of a dropper, which is basically the malware which is used, right? This is going to access the network state. This is going to request install packages. Multiple packages can be installed and sent to the queries, right? This is what we have. You can see manage unknown app source, allow installing unknown source. Yes, this is going to install some sort of things as well. So just be aware, right? Now, next news is related to what Gunra ransomware. Okay, so there is a this is I first time heard this is a new Gunra ransomware which is targeting the Windows users. Yes, right now I'm using Windows. This is called Windows, and this is going to encrypt files, demand payment in Monero. Monero is a kind of Bitcoin, crypto coin, which is XMR, and this is going to spread via malicious ads and cracked software. So back up your data, don't pay the ransomware, and what do you even say if you're it UK, and if you're going to pay the ransom, then you'll get a jail. Yes, UK government have introduced this news. I hope you are aware if you're watching my video on daily basis. Now, last news is related to STF file. So guys, hackers uses weaponized STF files for infections. So this is going STF file. If you don't know, then STF file is the HTML applications. Yes. So right now, attackers are sending STF files that run malicious script, right? And this is bypass email filters, distinguished as a invoices or report. So as I told, never open unexpected attachment even from trusted source. So that's what we have. If you want to learn about SOC, because this is very much important, then check out this URL. If you want to learn about web application pen testing, then check this one. This is for SOC, VIEH.com/SOC. Date has been extended. I have to update this part. And this is for TCI. If you want to earn money by learning, right, and getting some internship certificate, then you can do it. So that's what we have. Thank you very much. I hope you have subscribed this channel. Have a great day.